how to download music from YouTube as an MP3 file. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download MP3 music files directly from YouTube.com. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is simply open up a browser, navigate to YouTube.com, and log into your account. Once you get logged in, go up to the top right, select your little channel avatar, and then in the menu that appears, select YouTube Studio. Once you get to the studio here, all we need to do is go in the left menu and you're looking for either Creator Music, or if you have a non-monetized channel, you'll see Audio Library. So go ahead and select that. Now, if you only had Creator Music here, select Creator Music, and then we can easily get to the Audio Library here by just selecting Go Back to Audio Library in the bottom menu. So once you're on the Audio Library, we can download all of these songs as MP3s. We can search at the top, and if you want to download anything, just hover over it and select Download in the right side right here. So as you can see, it could save this song, and then I can open it up and start playing it on my computer. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out.